Hello everybody and welcome to another mystery box function challenge. In that purple box there is some mystery math and your job is to figure out what that math is. Use the link in the description, pause the video and get to this page to try out as many numbers as you like, put them in the top, see how they come out transformed at the bottom, and use that to guess what's inside the mystery box. Then come on back, play the rest of the video and see if I get the same thing you do. All right, let's get started. I'm going to choose to start with a 0 like I usually do. And we've got a 2, so maybe we're adding 2. Let's look at a 1. Oh, and a 1 is a 7. So maybe we've got a steep straight line here that's got a slope of, is that 5 up for 1 over? Yeah, slope of 5. All right, let's try a 3. This would be 5 more, so 3 should be at 12. Oh, it's not. It's at 23, so that's off the graph. All right, maybe we need to go, or sorry, 2 should have been at 12. Let's try 2 here. Still don't think this is a straight line, though, because 2 is at 14, so All right, let's back it up. Let's go to -1. And -1 is at -1. So you can see that this is a curve because here the slope is a +3, and here the slope is a +5. Let's go back to -2. And that for that little interval, the slope is only 1. And let's try -3. Curious, is this going to... Aha, that's what I thought might happen. Now I'm thinking we have a quadratic. This looks like a parabola. So let's try the next point over -4, and if it's symmetrical with this point, we would get a value of 2. So -4 and 2. Aha, there we go. And if I put in -5, I should get 7. Okay, very good. So this is a parabola, and it looks like a couple of things have been done to it. It's not at the origin. The vertex is not at the origin. It looks like it's gone down 2, right? So we've moved this thing down 2 spaces. So I think it's got a -2 at the end of it, but it's also been moved over in this direction, and it's been moved over 2 spaces. So from x squared, which would just be at the origin, it's been moved down 2 and to the left 2. And to get to the left 2, we put that inside the parentheses, and it's actually a +2, even though we're moving in the negative direction. Okay, so maybe this is it, or maybe there's a multiplier. I think we can figure out if this is it by testing a few points. So if I put in 0, I get 0 plus 2 would be 2, 2 squared would be 4, and 4 minus 2 would be 2. That checks out. If I put in 1, I get 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 squared is 9, and 9 minus 2 is 7. Ooh, that's looking good. Let's try a negative value. Let's try the -3. So that would be -3 plus 2 squared minus 2, and that's 1 squared. -3 plus 2 is -1, and then -1 squared is +1, and then -2 is -1. A lot of negative signs to keep track of in that one. And yeah, that's what we get. So I think we do have this. I think our function is f of x equals the quantity x plus 2 squared and then -2. This moves it to the left. This moves it down. Let's give that a try. And there it is, x plus 2 quantity squared minus 2. And let's look at the graph of that as well. There's our classic parabola, just shifted down 2 and 2 to the left. Well, how did that one go? Were you able to see that this was a parabola? Did you get this pretty complicated equation? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.